How's it going? I'm Steve from aFe Power, and today I'm going to be installing our bull bar on the new Land Cruiser. I'm going to show you step-by-step instructions on how to install it as well as align it to the body line. First step, you'd be removing the skid plate with 6 12mm bolts. Second step, you're going to be removing this front shroud. Don't let all these clips confuse you. It's just 2 12mm bolts and it comes right off. Next step will be removing your factory tow hooks. There's going to be 2 17mm bolts on each side. We do have our sway away aFe control remote reservoir from our coilovers installed. Don't mind that. And your next step would be removing the 17mm bolt right here, and that was the purpose of removing that shroud so you can access this bolt. There's going to be one on each side, and this is the bracket you're going to use. You just snake it through the grill and install your bolt. You want to repeat the steps on each side and make sure you leave them slightly loose for the install. So now if you have a neighbor or a buddy, you'll need help installing it to get the bolt started. Make sure your brackets go on the inside of the front bumper there. Remember to leave everything loose, and the Allen head bolt goes inside the front mount here. So as you can see, I have a little bit of play to help you line up the edge of the bumper with your body line there. Once you tighten both bottom mounts and you're lined up with the body there, you're able to go inside and tighten up that bracket. So it is important to line up your front bumper, not only with the body trim, but it also will avoid your parking sensors from going off. So if you install it and you have some parking sensors issues, just loosen it up and then you could realign it and then everything should be good. Go ahead and reinstall your front shroud. And go ahead and reinstall your skid plate. So once you got it installed, if you're having issues on either other side, like say if it's driver front, you just move your bumper over to the passenger side and your sensors will go off. And then down below is your new tow hooks. You can get some D-rings as well as 4 spots to put some round lights and then a flat bar light right here. And that'll do it for today's install.